Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Jamaican star Khadija Bunny Shaw has been named the 2023-2024 Barclays Women's Super League Player of the Season. Shaw has been a key figure in Man City's push for the WSL title, registering 21 goals in just 18 appearances, while also providing 3 assists. The 27-year-old is also on course to finish as the league's top scorer, having incredibly averaged a goal every 66 minutes so far this campaign. Shaw has already claimed individual acclaim for her exploits this season, having been named the FWA Footballer of the Year alongside fellow City star Phil Foden. She is the first player to score 3 WSL hat-tricks in a calendar year, and between November 2023 and January 2024, the forward would grab 3 trebles in just 4 matches. The Jamaican has fought off the sizable challenge of a City teammate, Cara Keating, the Chelsea duo of Lauren James and Naomi Charles, Arsenal's Lottie Wubben Moy, Spurs youngster Grace Clayton, Leicester's Jutta Randall, and Brighton forward Elizabeth Turland. Jamaican diver Yona Knight Wisdom says it was a long road to recovery, but worth it in the end, as he qualified for the Paris Olympics set for July. Knight Wisdom says the journey to qualification after suffering an ACL injury 2 years ago was a challenging one.
I basically had to get back to being able to push the board that hard again, which not only was a physical battle, was a psychological battle as well. But I had a lot of help, fortunately, from physio, from my strength and conditioning coach. We got some tools and some equipment.
Right, some football news now. General Secretary of CASAFA, Marvin Tate, says they should have allowed their teams to participate in the inaugural JFF Tier 2 competition despite initial concerns. When the JFF Tier 2 competition started 3 seasons ago, CASAFA clubs opted not to take part. And the reason cited then was a lack of finances to play in an all-island competition.
Having reviewed the situation as it was and seeing that the Tier 2 league was actually a development league for the Premier League, I think it was only a matter of time before we would have actually seen the effect and knowing that the only way for us to have other teams getting into the Premier League is through the Tier 2s. Whatever happened was more political more than anything else. I think on hindsight, we should have actually, gone ahead and allow our teams to actually participate.
Tate was speaking on Hits 92 FM's Sports Grill on Thursday. CASAFA clubs are now allowed to take part following an AGM meeting last year where 20 of the 23 clubs under the association voted to end their sabbatical from the island's second highest competition.
The fact that they were invited to a meeting of the CASAFA.
And that is it for your midday sports. And I am Jermaine Brown. Shane?
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.